If you in a one relationship where you can't be yourself, it's like a lion in a one cage you want to come out. And if you know as a lion in a cage you want to come out and can't come out, eventually you're going to snap, somebody are going to get hurt. So here you do for yourself and for the persons involved. Leave. You see me? You only can compromise up to such point and no more. You see me? So you have to establish, say, yo, there's a difference. If you meet me and this me I carry to the table, don't try to change me. We can explore the options of me minimalizing certain things, but I will not change it for you, because that means I have to go in a mood of compromise, and eventually we can compromise for so long and no more before the real me come out. So just be you. And if the person can accept you for you, then just move on. Life goes on. Some, as them say, every of them stick a bush. Maybe me was just not your stick. You see me? Best of